What's up guys, it's Steve for Tech. Today we have got the Soundcore by Anker Live Q10 wireless headphones. So it just says it's having 60-hour playback time with 5 minutes 5-hour playtime charge with Type-C charger. So on the left side we have this, and on the right side we have this, and on the back we have all those features enabled, and it's having an official warranty in Pakistan. The price over here is $50, and let me just unbox this thing. Okay, packaging looks good. Okay, nothing else inside the box. Okay, so this is the paperwork, user manual. I take it aside, quick start guide. Okay, so this one is an aux cable. Okay, and gold finishing over it, and then we have the USB to Type-C charger. Okay, so it looks good, and they say powered by Anker. That's good. Okay, let me just take this plastic aside. Okay, this is the nothing else, and this is the headphone. It just folds like this. Okay, so they have this much soft cushioning over here, and I don't know which type of material it is, but it looks good. So on the, I guess, right side, yeah, on the right side we have the controls, the bass, and you can boost the bass, and the power volume up and volume down, and the power button, and then the aux cable port and the Type-C port for the charging. Okay, and on both sides we have the branding of Soundcore. Okay, that's all. Yeah, it looks good in matte finish. So let me just boot it up and connect it with my laptop. Okay, so here we are connected. This is the sound quality. I'm just taking the earpiece next to the mic. And while testing, what I have felt is this bass is the bass system in this headphone is really good, and it just feels like that you are really having a motor inside it, which works as boosting of the bass. So overall, my opinion for this $50 headphone is you should go for it if you are on a budget-oriented headphone search, and it's having a high-resolution audio system, wireless, and having a really good battery timing. You don't have to worry about the charging all the time. It says it's having a 5-minute charge, and really it works like so good. Even I have the 65 watts fast charger, and I've charged it before with that thing, and it just takes me 5 minutes to 10 minutes to charge full, and I've never been onto the battery less than 30 or 50, all because of this lesser use. So overall, my opinion is if you are on a budget headphone, wireless headphone, so you should go for this thing. That's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks guys.